The toggle switch of delusion. The toggle switch of delusion. Right now, the switch is toggled off. I love my parents. They are happy people. They are kind people. I'm lovey-dovey, Andrew. Pure tranquility to be around. The toggle switch of delusion. The toggle switch of delusion. But the switch gets flipped on. I think my parents are sadists. I think they're monsters. I think they're sadistic deceivers. I think they're two-faced. I think they're nefarious and pharmacological abusers. The toggle switch of emotion. The toggle switch of delusion. Then the switch gets flipped off. I'm back to happy Andrew and chipper Andrew and the happiest, most kind and angelic person there is. I'm like a blessing to be around. The toggle switch of emotion. The toggle switch of delusion. The switch gets toggled on. I hate them. They're monsters. They're sadists. They're sadistic persecutors. They're villainous. They're evil. The toggle switch of delusion. The toggle switch of emotion. The key to recovery is to keep the switch toggled off, to control my emotions, to be happy, chipper, tranquility, Andrew, 99.9% of the time.